What's going on, guys? Gabe here with ReviewDork, and we have a day trading video because I heard you guys want to make some money. So let's go ahead and look at AMC really quick, and I want to show you what it's doing because it's very comparable to what other stocks are doing at this time. We have consolidation, and guys, keep that in mind. It's also 1 o'clock Eastern time. If you're going to day trade, your job is between 9:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's where all the volume is. That's where you're going to make your money. And if you're trading after 11 a.m., you're doing it wrong. Now, let's go ahead and find the stocks in play. Now, I have Webull here. And guys, don't have to have Webull as your broker, but Webull, I like it. It's simple. It puts everything right in front of your face. So I go to markets and I get a general idea of what's happening in the market. The Dow, up, SPY, NASDAQ. We look at what the markets are doing, and then we look for stocks in play. Not every day is a trading day, and that's fine, but the stocks in play. We click one day here, and this is our screener here for top gainers, and it will immediately show us stocks that have gained the most. Here we have Nanovibronics, and it's up 43%. Now, this would not be a candidate, guys, because the market cap is 87 million. Now, depending on if you have conviction in the stock, I have nothing bad to say about Nanovibronics. However, for me as a day trader, I'm looking for companies that have established track records and have a market cap of over $1 billion. Anything less than $1 billion, I'm probably not going to trade it. So what I do is I expand on the screener and I'm looking for companies with market caps over 1 billion. And I'm looking at Sonos here, and we see Sonos qualifies 5.1 billion. Now, it is up, but I want to know why it is up 8.9%. So I click on it and I expand on the news, and we see Sonos stock is surging. A patent suit win against Google lifts hopes. The market is emotional, and you never want to bet against the emotions and convictions of other traders. And this is why knowing which stocks in play are important, because you do not want to bet against institutions and you don't want to bet against other investors. So we see Sonos, it dips. Why did it dip? Because the pre-market guys took their fucking money. You guys want to make sure that the pre-market guys get the hell out. They took their money. They're happy. It's time for you to play. And you guys see at $40, we have a run up to $42.57. And this is before 11 a.m. Sonos showed its hand. We have resistance at or about $42.50. We have support at or about $41.19. This provides an opportunity for you to enter a position. Me personally, I would probably enter between $4,100 and $8,200 because for every dollar movement up, I make between $100 and $200. So we could see that there's opportunity that exists. We have the run up, you made some money, you sell. It hits support, another run up at resistance, you sell. And then we have some consolidation. But guys, it is not dipping below support. And this is when an equity shows its hand. Between 1 o'clock and 2:30 p.m. Eastern time is when equities like to show their hand. They show you their pattern, their trend. And right now, Sonos is showing us that it's being supported at 41.19. But you don't want to trade right now. You want to wait till 2:30 to see what happens. Now, there are other options too. Webull, guys, you do have FinViz. And in FinViz, a very popular thing to do is find an equity with an unusual volume or a top gainer. And that's pretty much it. You want to be where the people are. You can also check out StockTwits. And guys, these are all free. If you go to StockTwits, you can go to most active, and it's literally going to show you where the people are based on social sentiment. And what we see here is Nanovibronics once again. Did we not see Nanovibronics here on the screener? We see it as a top gainer, and we also see it as unusual volume. This is how you find the stocks at play, guys. It's not really complicated. It is a very simple thing. But in this day trading playlist, if you will, I break it down on how to use the MACD, the RSI, find your support and resistance, and then you can go ahead and find your equities and have more of a intellectual thesis on how you're going to enter and exit the trades, guys. This is really, really important. You don't have to spend $2,000 or $3,000 on courses. You don't need BAM Investor. Oops, shots fired. BAM. But what I'm saying here, guys, is it's not complicated. We do not have to reinvent the wheel. While in this conversation, we could see that Sonos is showing its hand once again, and it's making a move up. So it's all about being patient and knowing when you're going to enter and knowing when you're going to exit. I don't care about fundamentals. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care about earnings per share. I'm looking for catalysts that support my thesis on when I want or what I want to buy. This is Gabe with ReviewDork. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. We are building out our day trading library. It's an honor for me to show you guys not how to get rich, but more importantly, how to build wealth. And for those who have day jobs, you can do this. It's really, really simple. Instead of simping on Twitter, just go ahead, check your screener, make some money. Guys, I'm signing out. Peace.